Spray pump replacement on the Turfware TR460. Review operator's manual prior to performing repairs. Disconnect the battery before starting electrical repairs. The 5.3 GPM pump is part number 3602005. You will need a 7/16 socket and driver and a 7/16 wrench. Close filter shutoff valves on both sides of the TR460 before starting this repair. Turn the front end on the pivot for ease of access to the pump. Unplug the pump's red-black power line at the pigtail. To disconnect supply and sprayer lines, push clips down and firmly pull lines out of the pump. Catch liquid as it drains in a cup or bucket to dump back into the tanks, or dispose of as required. Remove all 4 bolts. Remove the old pump. Tuck wires between the 2 inside bolts and install the new pump. Replace all 4 bolts. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Only 2 threads should extend through the bottom of the nylon lock nut. Reconnect the supply and sprayer lines. Make sure both clips are pushed all the way up. Reconnect power supply and tuck wiring harness securely out of the way. Regular cleaning of your TR460 during all maintenance will keep it running smoothly. Remember to reconnect the battery. Reopen both filter shutoff valves. The next step is to prime the pump, which is also a video in this maintenance series.